Hi, my name is Suzanne. I'm the owner of Boma Jewelry. Today we're going to tell you a little bit about our story and more about the company. So let's get started. My parents started it as a very small company, and at the beginning they sold different kind of products. My parents started a factory in Thailand. We work with 925 sterling silver, high quality gold plate and gold vermeil that's responsibly sourced. I have 3 daughters and I only let them wear sterling silver jewelry or higher. I don't allow them to wear base metals or costume jewelry because I just think it's not good for their skin. That's one of the things that I teach them when it comes to jewelry is look for 925. Thank you.